How to track a turned-off iPhone. Today, I'll show you how to track your iPhone even if it's turned off. Apple has some amazing features to help locate your device, and I'll walk you through all the steps. Start by using the Find My app. Open it on another Apple device or visit iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and select your iPhone from the list of devices. If the phone is off, you'll see its last known location. And with iOS 15 or later, the Find My network can locate it using nearby Apple devices. Don't forget to enable Notify when found to get an alert when it's turned back on. If the battery dies, your iPhone can still send its last known location to Apple servers if you've enabled Send Last Location under Settings, Find My iPhone. With iOS 15 and newer, the Find My network allows your iPhone to use nearby Apple devices to share its location, even when it's off. Just ensure it's turned on in Settings. If you think your iPhone has been stolen, activate Lost Mode in the Find My app. This locks your device, disables Apple Pay, and lets you display a contact number or message on the screen. Additionally, contact your carrier to suspend your service or check if they can help track your phone. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.